Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to trade in Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First you just have to go to your Roblox account, and then here what you're going to do is to simply scroll down here and then look for trade. So tap this one, and then as you can see we have your options. When you tap this, we have your inbound, outbound, we have your completed and inactive, and trade panel. So to start, all you have to do is to simply look for avatar shop if you have, but unfortunately I can't see avatar shop here, so I have to go to marketplace. Okay, and then here obviously you will see the item that you're looking for or items that you're looking for, and all you have to do is to tap that one. Once you tap that specific item, then you will see there possibly the people who purchase this item, okay, or the people who also trade for this item. And then what you're going to do is to simply visit their profile. Okay, so let's just say I'm looking for an item here. So click all items, go to marketplace, look for that specific item here. So like what I have mentioned earlier, you will see the people who purchase that item, and all you have to do is to visit their profile. So make sure that this user has this item. Okay. So once you've visited their profile, probably you will see a three dots at the top right corner. So what you're going to do here is to simply go to this part, player's inventory, and then look for the specific item that you want to make an offer. For example, this one. Now, once you pick that item, go to your inventory and then kindly enter the information here for your offer. Okay, also the Robux price, and then go to your request here. So enter the information here and then kindly make an offer. So once everything is okay, all you have to do is to tap make offer, and then you just have to wait for a notification from this player if he or she accepted this offer or not. So that's how easy it is, and I hope this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.